everyone. How are you all? Welcome to my podcast Shangri-La with Ela and Acharya. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast, and I'm really very grateful to you all. Today I have again brought one of the technique of manifestation. So it is known as 777 manifestation technique, or we can say it as 777 manifestation technique. I know that we have already discussed about 555 technique, and in which we have to write 55 times our wish or affirmation in a present tense for 5 days. But here you don't have to worry, we don't have to write 77 times for 7 days. It is a bit different way. So it is a much easier way, but the result is going to be awesome. So 777 technique is used again we have to write the affirmation with our own handwriting, and should be in a present tense, and it should be written in with the feeling and the excitement and the imagination and the visualization. Everything should be put inside that. But the only thing is that in a day we have to write it in the two slots. That is, early in the morning, as soon as we wake up, we have to write it 7 times, the affirmation, because as soon as we wake up, our subconscious mind is, it is very active, and we can easily feed into it what we want to achieve. So whatever is your affirmation, that is, for example, I want to become a very successful life coach, or it can be I want to write I am a successful life coach, I am a successful law of attraction coach, I am a successful voiceover artist, or I am a very successful podcaster. You can write your affirmation or your dream in the present tense and write it with the feeling, and you have to write it for 7 times early in the morning. As soon as you wake up, get up, and then get fresh, and you have to write it with your own handwriting. I normally use red pen, so you can use it, or a blue pen is also okay. Avoid black pen, but write it. Then after 7 hours of gap, that is, after minimum 7 hours of gap should be given between these writing of it again. So I suggest that preferably you write it before sleeping the night at night. That is, during that time also, before you sleep, at that time also your subconscious mind is very active, and you can again download into it whatever you want to achieve. So before getting to sleep, write it again 7 times, and you have to again do it with the feeling and with the affection, and you can add into it that 17-second manifestation. Okay, so you can use that. You are writing that entire sentence and focusing on it for at least minimum 17 seconds. So it will be boosting up 777 with the 17-second manifestation. And you have to do these for 7 days, 7 consecutive days. Yes, don't miss it in between. So for 7 consecutive days, writing in the morning for 7 times your affirmation or your goal, and writing at night before you go to sleep 7 times, and then you just let go. I know after 7 days you must be just waiting for your dreams to come in front of you, but you have to let go, and you have to then focus on your all other work. And I will assure you that you are going to achieve your goal, or you are going to achieve whatever you have written in that affirmation very soon, or even on that day, or even in between. But you continue writing that. Okay, so I hope this information about 777 technique will help you. So thank you so much, and if you have any doubt, if you want to know any other thing, please let me know, message me. Thank you so much.